Yeah, people, morning. Me I give you an update of what go on, is it? Yeah. Me I remind you know, me I go quote the 19th of January. And the reason why me I go back a quote, the last time I go quote, before me leave, them file summons, then tell me don't go yet and file summons. Me say, where the summons for? Can me tell them me can't read, where the summons for? Then say, oh, it's a chat. Me say, chat for what? Who me are chatting? Then say me are chatting, then me are chatting my wife. Me ex. Because we not married anymore, we divorced. You understand me? I did. Me say, chatting him, when me chatting him about? Then say me I call her bang belly goat. So people, remember, me I go back a quote the 19th. Oh, can you call somebody bang belly goat and them give you summons, say yeah, check me somebody, you have to come back a quote the 19th. People, remember me is a Jamaican and I'm not in my country. You understand me? I did, yeah. I'm in Grenada. So want to check out that one yeah and watch what I go on. I'm going to update you and make you know what I go on. You understand me? I did, yeah. From the same day, when they give me the summons, me ask, how comes a insult come a threat? What is a threat? What is a threat? What is an insult? People, want to check out that and leave on a comment in the comment section. You understand me? I did. Boss, some of these people, they don't have any head. How can you insult somebody and that becomes a threat? Guys, that's how me I go quote for the 19th, so me couldn't know what I go on. You understand me? I did. Yeah, I'm out.